सो गाइस, आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा ये है कोड ऑफ एथिक्स एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स। सो ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल प्रोफेशनल्स, एथिक्स, guidance for practice as an environmental professional, encourage development of the profession and references. So when we are talking about the objective of an environmental professional, so it includes to recognize and attempt to reconcile societal and individual human needs with responsibility for a physical, natural and cultural system. Okay. And second point is to promote and develop policies, plans, activities and projects that achieves complementary and mutual support between natural and man-made and present and future component of the physical, natural and cultural environment. So when we are talking about the ethics, so as in the earlier or the previous section, we discussed about the ethics and moral values of ethics, which is directly related to the environmental protection. So in this topic that we are talking about the ethics, so when the environmental professional acts with the ethics, so what are the duties of the environmental professionals which verifies the ethics? So we have a point number 1, environmental professional be personally responsible for the validity of all data collected, analysis performed or plans developed by me or under my direction. I will be responsible and ethical in my professional activities. Second point है, I will encourage research, planning, design, management and review of activities in a scientifically and technically objective manner, and I will incorporate the best principle of environmental science for the mitigation of environmental harm and enhancement of environmental qualities. Third point is, I will not engage in conduct involving dishonesty, fraud, deceit or misrepresentation regarding to the environmental protection. I'll be committed to upholding a positive environment that reflects quality and inclusion and mutual respect in all the respect. Okay. And I'll be examining all of my relationship or action which could be legitimately interpreted as a conflict of interest by client, officials, the public or peers in any instant where I have financial or personal interest in the activity with which they are directly or indirectly involved. I will make a full disclosure of that interest to my employer, client or other affected parties. So these are the ethics which should hold the environmental professional during the protection of the environment. So guidance for practice as an environmental professional. Which kind of the guidance have to be followed by the environmental professional during the environmental protection activity? As an environmental professional, I'll be encourage environmental planning to begin in the earlier stage of project conceptualization. I'll recognize that total environmental management involves the consideration of all environmental factors including technical, economical, ecological and socio-political and their relationship. Point number 3 is, I'll be incorporate the best principle of design and environmental planning where recommending measures to reduce environmental harm and enhance environmental quality. Point number 4, I'll be encourage public participation at the earliest feasible time in an open and produced atmosphere or the protective atmosphere. Point number F5 and the last point is I'll be conducting my professional activities in a manner that ensure consideration of technically and economically feasible alternatives. Encourage development of the professions. As an environmental professional, I'll be assist in maintaining the integrity and competence of my profession. Point number 2, I'll encourage education and research and the development of useful technical information relating to environmental field. Point number 3, I'll be prohibited from lobbying in the name of National Association of Environmental Professionals. Point number 4, I'll be advertised and present my services in a manner that avoid the use of material and method that may bring discredit to my profession. References again, we have two references, environmental science and engineering. The authors are Anubha Kaushik and C.P. Kaushik. The publication is New Age International. And we are talking about the 6th edition which published in 2018. And the second book we are referring for this data is Environmental Engineering, P.V.N. Roy, Tata McGraw-Hill publication. Thank you.